everyone. I'm sure most of y'all have been viewing a lot of videos that I've been putting up. I have been posting a lot of dance videos and been getting a lot of love for that. But this is my first vlog that I'm going to be posting. I am not sure if I'm going to make any more vlogs or something, but I was just excited to show you this because I've been conducting a lot of workshops here in Abu Dhabi, and this is another workshop that I've had, and it is Let's Nacho. It's a 10-day workshop, and today is actually the second last day of the workshop, and I thought that I should take you through it because these last 2 days are really special because on the second last day we have like a rehearsal of all the songs that I've taught them and everything that they've done, have a cypher session, and it's very interesting. And on the last day is when they all perform and we shoot it, and that's how it is basically sitting in my house, and that's the view from my house. So yeah, let me just tell you something about my dance class. It is named Ada. My name is Andreen and I'm better known as Anne by everyone, like that's my pet name. And so I have named it Ada because it's Anne's Dance Academy, and that is, Ada is like the abbreviation of it. And dance is all about expressing and styling, and that is what Ada is also all about. So I thought it was the perfect name for my dance class because it gets the abbreviation along with the meaning. So I thought it was perfect. And so yeah, this one is Let's Nacho, and it's a Bollywood workshop, but I don't just teach Bollywood in it. I teach different forms in Bollywood because Bollywood has so many different kinds of genres just in itself. I'm not just saying, Bollywood is not anymore just the typical massy type of songs. Now Bollywood has everything in it. It has Indo-contemporary, it has classical elements in it, it has hip-hop, it has funk, swag, everything. So I teach them forms like Bolly hop and Bolly funk, Bolly swag, all these kind of forms. So it's not just restricted to just Bollywood desi local songs. I'm gonna be leaving home now for my class, and so I wear my cap. That's how I roll, and always carry my backpack along with me, which has my water and all the necessities that I need to carry. And well, this is my little brother. His name is Timber. And that is my mother. Mom, say hi. Hi. So I'm going to be leaving now for my class. That's just my mom doing the daily thing. She always keeps asking me if I've taken my water and my change and keys and everything. Yeah, I have everything with me. Okay, and that is... Bye, Timber. Bye. Bye, Andy. Bye. And that's how I leave my house. This is my building corridor. Hi. And off we go. Also, I'd like to show you, this is my favorite mirror in my building. So this is the building where I work in. It's called Lulu Center building at Salam Street. On the 16th floor is my class. Yes. Arun Vasudeva, Aurora Events, and this is the hall. This is where I conduct my classes. It's a huge hall, and I also host events and all at the same place because I work with Aurora Events. And this is the man behind Aurora Events, Arun Vasudevan. He is... What's up?
What's up?
Yeah, he's Arun Cheta. Basically, Cheta is a big brother in Malayalam, so I call him Arun Cheta. I'm his little sister. This is my Abu Dhabi family. Oh, he's also my student. That's why you can see him in his tracks and everything. He's also one of my students, and he's also the person I work with. I met him like when I came to Abu Dhabi and I wanted to start my classes and all. I just happened to get his number and I called him up, and he was the first person I spoke to, and I worked with him, and I'm so happy because he is just like family now, and it's really awesome to work with him.
What can I say about Andreen? He's like I would say that some certain people, I feel like a Simon Cowell, finding out a talent, and an unbelievable talent she is. Good dancer, great singer as well. I didn't know that. And during one of the classes, she was on the mic, and I realized that she was actually very good behind the mic as well. So I asked her, why don't you do some hosting? And then that also came to her very naturally. So I've been very lucky to find someone like her, and not like she said, not like a friend or anything, more like a sister to me. So very, very great person to work with, great friend to have, and a great what do you say, like, no, yeah, great sister to have as well.
Few of my students are here already. They are punctual students. Hi Ashwin, Suvarna, Jeena, Neena, Tapasya. So we start our dance class with my warm-up sessions. I give them warm-up routines, proper workout before they start, so their body is completely warm before they start. Your body shouldn't be really tight. You loosen your body and make it warm before you start. It's very important to have a good warm-up so you're ready to dance and your body is ready, and you won't have too many problems too soon, because if you don't do a proper warm-up or a proper workout, it's going to be really bad for your body in the long run. So make sure you do a good workout, and I'll catch you right back. Chest pop! Oh my god, I did not record that. That was so good. Okay, so after the warm-up session, I'm going to do a cipher session with them, which is a circle. They're all going to make a cipher, as you can see. And we play any music, and then each one gets a chance to come in the center and show their moves and just groove to whatever music plays and not be judged. You just have to enjoy yourself, come in and get that confidence, boost that confidence up, because usually people get really shy to come and dance in front of everyone, but here they don't feel shy. They just come, they do their own thing. I'm not judging them. There's no set steps. You just have to come and just dance. That's what we're going to do. Woo! Come on everyone, cheer for him. Is here. She's always late for our class. So after our warm-up and cipher and everything is over, since it's our second last day, we are going to start with our rehearsals now, because on the last day they're all going to perform and they're all going to be doing a nice shooting for it. But yeah, so now we're going to rehearse all the songs, and all of them are really scared right now because everyone has forgotten all their routines. That is them just trying to revise all this fellow. He missed out the cyber session, the warm up, everything because he does his event management duties during his class. Oh, here comes my latest entry of every class. Miss Gagan. How managed to always be late?
I have a lot of work at home, like sleeping, eating, watching movies.
And the rehearsals are on full swing. This is the second song that they learn. यही है वो आदमी जिसको कभी स्टेप्स याद नहीं आते हैं. यही है वो आदमी. वाह क्या बकवास किया है तुम लोगों ने. टाइम से वीडियोस है सबके पास. Everyone's got the videos but no one has rehearsed so they remember nothing. And they are rehearsing right now. अरे अभी बोल ना क्या
The day before, like the class before, then I was.
तो मैंने बोला था नहीं आने को. Okay, come. Now I'll give you your positions, okay? Excuse me.
This teacher is very strict.
Excuse me. तेरे गालों पे चाटा. Okay. Now give me final positions. Come. Arun, come. वाह वाह. Let me come to you, Arun. He's also Arun, photographer for Aurora events as well, and an amazing photographer even otherwise. And they are here for their water break, which they very rarely get from me. And let me tell you something about this man. In every class, he does all his event management work and disturbs me. Someone or the other comes, his phone is ringing, he is going here and there, running around, and spoils my videos.
Money है तो honey है. My honey will eat.
And this woman always runs to the loo. वाह डेडिकेशन देखो. ब्रेक के टाइम भी रिहर्सल. So we are finally done with our second last day. We're done with our rehearsals, and I hope everyone is now confident for the last showcase day. I mean the performance day, and everyone is so tired. Are some enthusiasm, please? So this is just the end of the second last day thing. Signing off. So yeah guys, that was all about our second last day at Let's Nacho by Ada. And if you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Videos that we had taken at Let's Nacho are going to be up really soon on my channel. So subscribe to it and keep watching and keep loving us. Thank you so much for all the love.